If you woke up tomorrow with no money, no job, and no support, could you find your way back to financial success? Brian Tracy believes you could, and his approach may change the way you think about wealth forever. Picture being dropped into an unfamiliar city with absolutely nothing. No savings, no safety net. What would your first move be? Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful strategies like these that can completely reshape your financial future. After studying countless self-made millionaires, Tracy uncovered a simple truth. Building wealth has little to do with luck. It's about making the right moves, one step at a time. Today, you'll learn the key strategies he believes separate those who struggle from those who succeed quickly. Changing your relationship with money is the foundation. Many people carry mixed feelings about wealth. They crave it but secretly resent those who have it. Tracy explains that misunderstanding money is one of the biggest obstacles to success. He urges you to view every dollar as an active worker. When you save and invest, you're building a workforce that will eventually work for you. True financial freedom begins the moment your assets start earning money without your effort. Small beginnings lead to massive outcomes. You don't need huge sums to start creating wealth. Every great fortune begins with tiny steps. Tracy shares stories of people who began with modest savings, sometimes just spare change, and through steady investing built fortunes worth millions. The lesson is clear. What matters most is starting now and staying consistent. Momentum, once created, becomes a powerful force. Small financial wins stack on top of each other, building your confidence and increasing your ability to take bigger steps over time. Success loves consistency. Your first small step might feel insignificant, but it's a crack in the wall separating you from the life you want. Over time, those cracks grow, and the wall eventually falls. Patience is a hidden superpower in wealth building. Those who stay committed to small gains are the ones who experience massive breakthroughs later. Money must be treated as a loyal but demanding partner. Dreaming of financial freedom is common, but only those who prioritize it actually achieve it. Tracy reminds us that ignoring your finances leads to missed opportunities. It's not how much you earn that matters. It's how you manage what you have. Many high earners live paycheck to paycheck because they never learn financial discipline. Pay yourself first. Before you spend, invest a portion of your income. Even small amounts, saved diligently, accumulate into serious wealth over time. Financial independence isn't about overnight miracles. It's about daily discipline. Start now, even with small amounts, and your future self will thank you. Treat saving and investing like paying a non-negotiable bill. Make it automatic, predictable, and consistent. In time, your investment accounts will quietly grow behind the scenes while you live your life. Sometimes the best thing you can do is to respectfully challenge old ideas and dare to believe you deserve a better outcome. If previous generations in your family weren't wealthy, blindly following their example won't get you there. Tracy urges breaking free from inherited mindsets that limit growth. Erase debts, start saving, and forge a new path toward financial independence. Stay focused and defeat doubt. Success is determined by the direction you move, not your starting point. Every smart financial decision, no matter how small, moves you closer to freedom. Doubt is the enemy. Persistence is your greatest ally. When you feel stuck, remember this. The simple act of trying already places you ahead of millions who are still standing still. Every step forward, no matter how tiny, matters. Setbacks are not signs to quit. They're tests to see how badly you want it. Put your money to work immediately. Idle cash is wasted potential. Instead of letting money sit, invest it wisely. Stocks, real estate, and other assets can help your savings grow faster. Every dollar you set to work creates a foundation for bigger returns. Leverage your bank's tools to automate your growth. Use your bank accounts not just for holding money, but for automating savings, building credit, and setting up simple investment systems. Tracy emphasizes using available resources to make managing money effortless. Banks today offer more tools than ever to help automate your wealth-building journey. Take advantage of them to reduce the need for willpower. Aim with precision. General wishes for wealth won't cut it. Set clear, actionable goals, whether it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or reaching a certain net worth. When your goals are specific, your financial habits naturally improve. Specific goals aren't just dreams written down. They're instructions to your subconscious to seek opportunities, solutions, and paths you wouldn't otherwise notice. Become your own best asset. Tracy stresses the importance of financial education. Whether through free online courses, workshops, or books, the more you know about money, the better you'll manage it. Knowledge multiplies opportunities. In a world that changes fast, those who never stop learning are the ones who never stop winning. Reading even a few pages a day or taking a single course each year can quietly stack skills that change your life forever. Reprogram your financial mindset. Much of how we feel about money stems from childhood lessons, many of them false. Tracy encourages identifying and replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. A positive money mindset makes financial success much more attainable. Mistakes are not failures. They are essential teachers. Errors are inevitable. The important thing is how you respond. Wealthy individuals learn from every misstep, adjust their strategy, and move forward stronger. Mistakes aren't dead ends. They're simply detours on the road to mastery. Guard your thoughts carefully. Your interpretation of events influences outcomes. Stay positive, manage stress, and approach challenges with a solution-focused mindset. Calm minds make better decisions. Surround yourself with the right people. Negative, cynical, or stagnant environments drain your energy and ambition. Protect your circle. Success is often determined by the people you allow into your life. Choose wisely. Stop seeking approval. Trailblazers rarely fit in. The boldest successes are often the ones who ignored the crowd and followed their own vision. Critics will always exist, so focus on your path, not their opinions. Protect your emotional energy. Happiness fuels creativity and resilience. Wealthy individuals intentionally avoid negativity and seek inspiration. Positive emotions are not luxuries. They are powerful assets. Find a greater purpose beyond just making money. Money alone isn't enough to sustain motivation. Having a deeper mission makes the journey fulfilling. Passion projects, helping others, or building something meaningful. These are the real drivers of lasting success. Practice generosity to complete the cycle of wealth. Giving back is more than charity. It's a way to keep prosperity flowing. When you contribute to others, whether through time, money, or mentorship, you invite even more abundance into your life. What you give often returns multiplied, though not always from the places you expect. And finally, commit to lifelong growth. True wealth builders never stop learning, improving, or evolving. Success is not a final destination. It's a continuous journey. Sharpen your skills, broaden your vision, and expand your impact. If you want a different life, it starts by thinking differently and acting boldly every single day. Success isn't achieved through a single big moment. It's the result of daily choices made with focus, courage, and belief in the future. Building wealth isn't for the lucky few. It's for those who think smart, act intentionally, and never quit. See you in the next video.